Hello everyone, here we come on to the topic production behavior and supply. Now we start with the production, which is the first part of this unit. What is production? Production is process of converting raw material into finished goods by adding utilities to it. Utilities mean satisfaction. By adding some satisfaction into the raw material, we can make its sale easier. So you can also say transformation of input into output. For example, production of chair from wood. So this is the meaning of production. Now what is production function? That's a functional relationship between input and output, or quantity produced and factors of production. You can write any one of them, and this is how you're going to show in a symbolic form. Qx is equal to F in bracket F1, F2, F3, F4. Qx stands for quantity produced, F1 stands for land, F2 stands for labor, F3 stands for capital, F4 stands for entrepreneur, and the small f stands for function. F1, F2, F3 are the factors of production which are. Now we come on to some more terms like types of factors of production. There are two types of factors of production and इनकी अलग से कोई definition नहीं है. इनकी definition को हम relate करेंगे with the time period. So see how we define them. Fixed factor of production. Those factors of production which can be changed in long run but not in short run. For example, building and furniture. आप शॉर्ट रन के लिए बिजनेस कर रहे हो, सो यू वोंट ट्राई टू चेंज योर फिक्स एसेट्स लाइक बिल्डिंग एंड फर्नीचर, बट येस ये चीज़ें लॉन्ग रन में आप चेंज कर सकते हो. Now we come on to variable factor of production. Those factor of production which can be changed both in long run and short run. For example, raw material. आप शॉर्ट रन में बिजनेस कर रहे हो, आप लॉन्ग रन में बिजनेस कर रहे हो, यू कैन चेंज इट इन एनी टाइम पीरियड. Now we come on to the types of period. Now again, अब हम time period को किसके terms में करेंगे? In terms of factors of production. So all these four terms are interrelated and defined in terms of each other. So now see how we define long run period. That period in which all factor of production become variable. That means you can change your fixed factor of production and you can also change your variable factor of production. इसलिए फिक्स और वेरिएबल के बीच का डिफरेंस खत्म हो जाता है लॉन्ग रन में, एंड एवरी फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन बिकम वेरिएबल एंड कैन बी चेंज्ड. Similarly, short run period, that period in which variable factor of production can change but not fixed factor of production. Building and all you cannot change in short run period, but yes, in short run period you can change some things like raw material, labor, etc. Now for short run we have again some terms like you have total physical product TPP, total production done by the firm at a particular time. So TPP can also be written as sigma of MPP, or TPP can also be written as APP into Q, where Q is units of variable factor of production. So this is how you define TPP. Next term is APP, average physical product. APP is total physical product per unit of variable factor of production. You can write APP as TPP upon Q, and again where Q is units of variable factor of production. And this is how we got the formula of TPP, that is APP into Q. From this formula we have taken that formula. Next is MPP, marginal physical product. Every term with marginal is important in definitions. Now, additional to TPP when an additional unit of variable factor of production is employed. So MPP can be written as change in TPP upon change in Q, or MPP can also be written as TPPN minus TPPN minus 1. For example, fixed factor is going to remain same 1 1 1 1. Variable factor changes 1 2 3 4. Now when we come on to the first formula, that is change in TPP upon change in Q, how will you calculate MPP at variable factor 2? TPP at variable factor 2 is 22. Can you see on the screen? And TPP at variable factor 1 is 10. So what is the change in TPP? The change in TPP is 22 minus 10, that is 12. And what is change in Q? That is change in variable factor 2 minus 1, 1. So 12 upon 1, 12, and that is how we calculated MPP at level 2. Similarly, in the next formula, in the second formula, you can see MPP is equal to TPP n minus TPP n minus 1. If we take n as 3 variable factor, so n minus 1 will be second level of variable factor. So what is TPP at n? That means TPP at variable factor 3, 35. Now what is TPP at n minus 1? That is TPP at level 2, 22. So subtract them. 35 minus 22 is equal to 13, and this is how we got MPP of level 3. The second formula is a short trick and should be used only and only when variable factor is given in a chronological order like 1, 2, 3, 4. अगर variable factor 1, 2, 3, 4 line में ना देके 1, 3, 6, 7 something like that दिया हुआ है, तो it's better you use the first formula. I hope you enjoyed the video by Ridhma Sharma classes. For more videos, visit acadhut.com. Thank you.